This video will explain how to use Epaderm Junior Ointment for eczema, psoriasis, and other dry skin conditions. Before applying Epaderm Junior Ointment, it's important to wash your hands so you don't transfer any irritants or microbes onto your dry skin. When applying directly to dry skin, simply scoop the recommended amount into your hand and smooth into the skin. Don't rub it in both directions. Smooth it in the direction of any hair. Eczema and psoriasis should be treated regularly with emollients, even when they aren't visibly flaring up. Epaderm Junior Ointment can also be used to wash instead of soap, which can cause further skin dryness. Scoop a little into your little one's hand, rub them together, and rinse well in warm but not too hot water. You'll notice the ointment doesn't foam up, but does leave their hands clean. Dry their hands gently with a towel. Again, remember not to rub them. Epaderm Junior Ointment is a 3-in-1 and can be used as a bath additive. Run a bath that isn't too hot and boil some water. Then mix a generous spoon of ointment into the jug of boiled water. When it's mixed, pour into your bath, checking the temperature before you bathe your child. Take care. The emollient layer can also leave the bath slippery.